A sentence. Okay. Okay. Sophia. My dog is under the table. Can somebody try to translate? Is there anybody that can make an attempt to translate it? Okay, let me hear. I know that this one is Igbo Pro. Eh? No, it's a living thing. So I told you the difference between a living thing and a non-living thing. A living thing you use no. Why non-living thing you use the? Okay. Okay, under the table. Is that what you said? Nkịta m nọ kwara na aka. Nkịta m nọ na gịnị bụ nkịta? Dog. Beautiful. Dog. Nkịta m nọ n'okpuru. Let's use akwa. We've been using table. Nkịta m nọ n'okpuru akwa. What is akwa? Bed. Beautiful. My dog is under the bed. Nkịta m nọ n'okpuru akwa. Nkịta m nọ n'okpuru akwa. Okay, can we have one more example before we move on? Okay.
Why are you hiding under the bed?
Why are you hiding under the bed? Kedu ihe kpatara iji ezo n'okpuru akwa? Kedu ihe kpatara iji ezo n'okpuru akwa? Okay. We can use mere, we can use kpatara. Kedu ihe kpatara? Remember, oge ọbụla ị jụrụ ajụjụ, whenever you ask a question, remember to put akara ajụjụ. Gịnị bụ akara ajụjụ? I told us last time. Question mark, akara ajụjụ bụ question mark, akara ajụjụ. Then we have na n'etiti. Gịnị bụ n'etiti? Kedu ihe bụ n'etiti? No. No. N'etiti. N'etiti. No, n'etiti. No. We are guessing. Okay. No, not in front. Center, in the middle. Okay, etiti, center or middle. Beautiful. Okay. Uju nọ n'etiti Ngozi na Nkechi. I want somebody to translate it. Uju nọ n'etiti Ngozi na Nkechi. Uju nọ n'etiti Ngozi na Nkechi. Ka ihe chọrọ m na, you want to ask a question. Kedu ihe? Which of them? I can't see what you are pointing at. Kedu ihe mere iji ezo n'okpuru akwa? Why are you hiding under the bed? Why are you hiding under the bed? Somebody gave us an example. So that's what we just translated to Igbo. Okay. Uju nọ n'etiti Ngozi na Nkechi. Elijah ngwa.
Go inside the center.
Daalụ.
Inside the center of the road.
Okay. Nna ngwa ka anyị na-eto Chukwu. Wepụ ọgbụ anwa n'isi gị and sit up. Wetuo ọgbụ anwa and sit up. I want to see your face. Uju is in the middle of Ngozi and Nkechi. Biko kwara na aka. Uju is in the middle of Ngozi. That means he's sitting in the middle, okay, of Ngozi and Nkechi. Okay, you didn't know Uju. Uju is a name, man. Uju nwa, Uju. Uju means a girl, a child that came in the midst of plenty other children. Maybe you've given birth to a woman and a man has given birth to like 4 or 5. The last one is usually called Ujunwa or Bianuju. He came in place in midst of others. Okay? Why are you nodding your head?
Like me.
Eh? And then, okay, if your cousin had just one sibling, it could also mean that when the sibling was giving birth, when they gave birth to her, there was maybe like prosperity. Things became better. Okay? Yeah. It's either it came in midst of plenty, it could be in midst of plenty people or in midst of wealth. You know that Igbo names are with meaning. We don't just give names. There is something you have in mind. There is something that has happened. So that's why when people answer just English name, you may not understand the meaning. They give you Igbo name, you just dump it as English name. Our names are wonderful. They are laden with meaning. Okay. All right. Can we? I'm making when another example. Can somebody try in Igbo this time around? I want somebody to make effort. Just try. Try. Make effort. Hmm? Can somebody help us? Try. Okay, try. You can do it. Just try. Banya, banya, you can do it. Mm. Okay, I'm Madanna. Can you say that? Okay, I'm Madan. Okay, Oga try and check in. Because it's in the middle of us. Mm. Okay, no, it's not in the middle now, okay? All right. And I told you, when it's a non-living thing, don't use no. Okay? When it's a non-living thing, don't use no. Uju is a human being now. Okay. Is it Ngazi? Ngazi means food now. Is it Ngozi that you wanted to say? Okay. All right. I think when he keep, of course, you are right, Ogo. Ngozi no n'etiti ụlọ. Ngozi may be sitting in the middle of the house. So you're right. Mgbe Elijah ka m na-ajụjụ.
Road.
Road. Ụzọ. Door is ụzọ too. No, it's the same thing. They're different. But when you use it, the content of the sentence will tell you what you are referring to. Whether you are referring to a door or you are referring to a road or a path, okay? Okay, try. Don't worry, we can help you. What do you want to say in English? You can also say Chibike putana etiti ụzọ. Come out of the middle of the road.
Come to the center of the road.
Okay, bịa n'etiti ụzọ. Okay. It's okay. Biko kọrọ na aka jari ọ na-agbani. Ọ dịkwanụ mfe. Kọrọ na aka. All right, I love that. I love that attempt. Ọ nwere onye na-ewelibu aka. Kedu onye weliri aka? Ọkwa ịzabụgo ka ọ dị nwaza ka onye zabugoro ajụjụ. Ịma na mara ama onye bụ onye na unu na-abụ. Ana m eche m ofu onye. I always think that you are the same person. Okay, ngwaza. Ka anyị nụ. Ka afa gị nwakwara. Kedu aha gị? Som Kenechukwu. Kedu aha nwanne gị nwoke? Ka m si yọọ Chukwu Som Kenechukwu. Okay? Okpokoro abụọ. Okay, nwamba m nọ n'etiti okpokoro abụọ. Okay, beautiful. Gịnị bụ okpokoro? Cabinet. Nwamba m nọ n'etiti okpokoro abụọ. Your cat can decide to be in the middle of two cabinets. Okay? Gịnị bụ nwamba? Cat. Nwamba is a cat. Beautiful. That is a beautiful one. Okay, nwamba m nọ n'etiti okpokoro abụọ. Okay, nwamba m nọ n'etiti okpokoro agba. Can we round up? I want to clean the board. Achọrọ m ihicha ugbo ode. Ka anyị wee dee ndị ọzọ. Okay. Ngwa ma ọsịsọ dee ngwa ngwa ka anyị hichaa ugbo ode and we'll continue. Okay. Ọ na-agakwa? Ọ na-agakwa? Ọ na-aga. I hope he's moving. Ọ na-agakwa? Ọ na-aga. So nsị gị ọ na-agakwa isi m ọ na-aga. Ọ na-agakwa? Ọkwa anyị na-amụta ihe we are understanding, isn't it? Ọ bụkwa ịmụcha Igbo na Igbo summer camp ị nara ewosi ya n'okpuru akwa. And you get home, you now put it under the bed. Mmakwa ka esi asụ. Abịakwa Igbo summer camp ọzọ ebidokwa n'isi. The idea is for you to learn and practice. One thing with language is that when you don't practice, you won't learn. That is it. So you practice. Even if you feel that you are not getting it, just try. There is something we call Igbo. We also will help our children to speak. Even if they are not getting it, let them mix it up. Before you know it, they will get used to it. Now, Igbo. What is Igbo? Mixing English and Igbo. With time, we get used to it. Okay? Chima, are you writing? Enna, okay, oh, right. Chris, you are right. Okay, you are done already. Beautiful. Okay. Okay, the chago. Carry on. Who can help us? Who can help us to translate this last example? He was the one that gave the example. And once that means we are not listening. What does it mean in English? Hey, you were not here. What does it mean in English? My cat is in between two cabinets. My cat is in between the two cabinets. I want to be sure that we are paying attention, okay? All right. Are we good? And we're making each board there. Can I clean the board now? Okay. Okay. Can I be done here? Okay. If we have the younger ones that have not finished, that's why we have seniors among them. You can help out, okay? So that we can achieve what we want to achieve. Nihu. Who can help us? What does it mean? Nihu. Nihu. No. In front. Nihu is what? In front. Iru is Anambra. We are using Central Igbo. Iru means face or front. Okay? But Central Igbo we say Ihu, which is mainly Imo State and Abia. Okay? So that's where we have more of the central. The difference is that we use R instead of H. Okay? No, use the central Igbo. But when you are speaking at home, you can use R. You are from Anambra, isn't it? You can use your dialect. But we teach with Central Igbo so that everybody will understand. Okay. So, can I have an example in Igbo? Nihu. Nihu. Okay, maybe here. Let me come. That's Sonia. My father is in front of the door. Beautiful. Can we have an Igbo example? Can we have Igbo example? Beautiful. Nihu what? You are there. Nihu what? Nnamu nihu. Also, what she just said in English is what she translated. Nnamu nihu. Also. Okay. If you watch, I keep putting dots. If I, this is Udo, peace.